Hello everyone, welcome in our channel. Myself Akash Sharma from the team of Knowledge Udaan. Today we are going to discuss Article 21 of the Constitution of India. So without wasting of time, let's start this video. No person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except according to a procedure established by law. This right has been held by the heart of the Constitution. The most organic and progressive provision is our living Constitution, the foundation of our law. Article 21 can only be claimed when a person is deprived of his life or personal liberty by the state, as defined in Section 12. Our violation of the right by private individuals is not within the purview of Article 21. Article 21 secures two rights: right to life and right to personal liberty. Article 21 applies to natural persons. The right is available to every person, citizen or alike. Thus, even a foreigner can claim this right. It, however, does not entitle to foreigner the right to reside and settle in India, as mentioned in Article 19(1). Now we are going to discuss the meaning and concept of right to life. Everyone has the right to life, liberty and the security of person. The right to life is undoubtedly the most fundamental of all rights. All the rights add quality to the life in question and depend on the pre-existence of life itself for their operation. As human right can only attach by living beings, one might accept the right to life itself be in some sense primary, since none of the rights would have any value or utility without it. There would have been no fundamental right worth mentioning if Article 21 had been interpreted by its original sense. This section will examine the right to life as interpreted by and applied of the Supreme Court of India. Article 21 of the Constitution of India provides that no person shall be deprived of his life or personal liberty except the procedure established by law. Life in Article 21 of the establishment or constitution is not merely physical act of breathing. It does not cannot mere animal existence or continued drudgery throughout life. It has much wider meaning, which includes right to life with human dignity, right to livelihood, right to breathe, right to pollution-free air, etc. Right to the life is fundamental to every existence, without which we cannot live as a human being, as includes to home aspects, etc., which go to make a man's meaningful. It is the article of the Constitution constitutes that receive the widest possible interpretation. Under the provision of Article 21, so many rights have found as shelter, growth and nourishment, thus have the necessities, minimum and the basic requirements that are essential and under the law for a person for a core concept of the right to life. In the case of Kharak Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh, the Supreme Court quoted and held that by the term life, as their use something more is meant than mere animal existence. The inhibition against its deprivations extends to all those limbs and faculties by which life is enjoyed. The provision equally prohibits the manipulation of the body by an amputation of an armored leg, or by the pulling out of the eye, or the description of any other organ of the body thought which the soul communicates with the better world. In the case of Sunil Batra versus Delhi administration, the Supreme Court reinstated with the approval the above observation held that the right to life included the right to lead in healthy life, so all the enjoy all the faculties of the human body in their prime conditions. It would ever include the right to prosecution of the person's tradition, culture, heritage and all that gives meaning to a man's life. It includes the right to live in peace, to sleep in peace and the right to repose and health. So I hope that you are totally understanding the Article 21 of the Constitution of India. So if you like this video, please share with your friends and make comment in this video. Thank you so much.